Hello, my name is Veal John.
My name is Emmanuel.
And I'm Joshua.
For the NeuroMaker Challenge this year, our focus has been set on those who would be utilizing a computer or desktop. Avid computer users are dependent on its peripherals, which the two most popular would be the mouse and the keyboard. Being unable to control the mouse and keyboard without limbs ruins the accessibility for computers, which makes it all the more difficult for the user. Our solution for users that have disabilities is to allow the user to fully control their mouse and keyboard. In order to do so, we are going to utilize the NeuroMaker hand as if it were a normal limb. The way we are going to achieve this is to rest the NeuroMaker hand on a platform, while the wheel swivels will be holding up the platform, thus giving the mouse more range of motion.
In order to move around the platform, we would be using the motor detecting camera or an eye tracker to move around the mouse. For the buttons on the mouse, it will be voice activated to either the right click, left click, or the middle mouse click, or move the middle mouse wheel up or down. To connect the mouse, the NeuroMaker hand, we are going to utilize Velcro, which allows the connection between the NeuroMaker hand and the mouse greater stability.
Oh, oh my.
As for the keyboard, we will be using an eye tracker or voice recognition to the NeuroMaker hand. Type the keys. Using the eye tracker, the user will look at their keys and their hand will go towards that letter they stare at for about 5 seconds.
With voice recognition, the user will say a word and the hand will type out the word, moving to the keys on the keyboard if needed. To initiate the voice recognition mode, the user is required to say the following phrase: Voice recognition activate. This subsequently commences the voice recognition mode where it would access the user's microphone and the arm would type out the word the user says. To deactivate voice recognition mode, the user can simply say voice recognition cease or voice recognition deactivate. In order to do certain shortcut keys, we can let the user use their other hand for combinations that are difficult to do, such as Alt F4. As you would normally hold down Alt with the thumb, the NeuroMaker hand is unable to reach the F4 key as it is being limited while holding down the Alt key.
Voice recognition activate. Hi. Oh, oh. Hello. Goodbye. Voice recognition deactivate.
The videos that were shown earlier explain the concept of our idea and is in our final product. But to conclude, these ideas can lead to possibilities that allow improved accessibility for those utilizing computers. It is a well-known fact that technology is a necessity as we venture into the future, which is why we believe this invention would be beneficial to those with disabilities. This is our group consisting of me, Veal John, Emmanuel, and Joshua, and we thank you for your time and undivided attention.